I'm so excited. I'm so excited to open this. Hi guys, Keely here. So today's video I'm very excited about. I feel like I say that at the beginning of every video, but I genuinely am excited about every video that I make. But today's video is something that I have never done before, but something that I have been wanting to do. It's gonna be a mystery thrift swap video. This is gonna be a collab with Sarah X, who of course will be like linked below and everything. She'll be making a corresponding video. So if you've never seen one of these videos before and you're unfamiliar with the premise, you thrift for the other person and then you don't know what it's gonna be, and then you send it to them and it's a mystery, hence mystery thrift swap. Sarah reached out to me and said, hey, do you wanna make this video? And I was like, heck yeah, I want to make this video because it's something that seems like a super fun premise, and I love thrifting. I do it all the time. But I went to 3 different thrift stores. They're my favorite thrift stores, the ones that I always go to pretty much. There is a Salvation Army, a Volunteers of America, and a Ohio Thrift that are very close to each other. So if I want to go thrifting and I'm like on a mission and I want to find stuff, that's always the spot that I go to, because you know, you might not find everything at one store. I found some really cute stuff. We decided on doing 6 pieces, and it was a really fun challenge for me thrifting for Sarah because she has a very like girly kind of feminine style. She also lives in California, and I don't know what the weather's like in San Francisco. I know it gets cooler there than like in Southern California. I don't think it's as cold as it is here. I feel like here in Ohio we have a lot of heavy warm clothing, more so than San Francisco. I could be wrong, but yeah, I think I found some pretty cool stuff. I'm not gonna show it to you in this video. You're gonna have to go watch Sarah's video to see the things that I picked out for her. Go watch her video because there is a few pieces that I'm very excited about. To name some of the things that I was specifically looking for, I noticed a lot of like cute chunky sweaters and cardigans and that kind of thing. A lot of them being like lighter colors, and also like some summery kind of dresses. That one was more of a challenge because a lot of the thrift stores here have kind of put away a lot of their dresses and skirts for the season, but I did find one piece that I'm very excited about in that category that is really cute. I really hope she likes it. And then also I was looking for some name brand kind of like Nike or Champion hoodies or sweatshirts, and then I was also looking for some cute kind of like graphic t-shirts. I think she only had like 1 pin. Oh, I forgot to mention that we did swap Pinterest boards so we could get like an idea for each other's style. I saw 1 pin on there that had like a cute t-shirt, graphic t-shirt, so I was like, I think she might like this. I don't know, I think it's pretty cute. This is the part that I'm most excited about. I literally just got this box in the mail today from Sarah. I basically filmed it at the first moment that I could because I want to see what is in here. Yeah, I'm so excited. I was so excited to open this. I got home and saw it on my porch and I was so excited. I literally couldn't stop talking about it to my boyfriend when I got here. Ooh, I see some really cute like fuzzy knits on the top of this, which is something I love. Oh, this looks really cute. She sent me a little note. Oh wait, it literally says read after or while looking through them, so I'm not gonna read the bottom portion of this note. Okay, so she says that she got them from a combination of Out of the Closet, which is a store that we have here. There's one not very far from my house. Crossroads Trading Company. I'm not familiar with that one. And Poshmark also, which everybody can shop on Poshmark. Based off your Pinterest board, Insta, and YouTube vids, I found pieces that I thought best fit your aesthetic/style. And then there's a little note about each piece. All right, this is what the top looks like, and I'm already seeing some things that look very exciting. I see some pastel colors and some zebra print, which I love. Oh my god, stop. This is a sweater vest that's pastel. Oh my gosh, this is like everything that I'm into right now. This is perfect. I'm also gonna do a little portion after this where I show you what everything looks like on and do a little styling of it. So you'll see what all of these look like on in a minute. It's a little zebra print purse. It's perfect. It's like a little small purse, which is just everything I love. And a little long strap. This is so cute. Okay, she says, I found the bag and loved the zebra print, which is super trendy and seemed to be your style. I also love that it was genuine leather and good quality, or AKA good quality, which is very true. No, it's a little dress. Oh my god, this is so cute. This entire portion of me opening this box is just gonna be pure excitement, me going, oh my god, it's so cute. I have so many dresses this style, like overall dresses or pinafore dresses in my closet. It's so cute. Ooh, this one is a, oh, it's cropped. Oh my god, it's a pink little cropped cardigan. That's so cute. Oh, this is a very funky print. I don't know what this is gonna be, but I like the print already. Oh, it's a little like cropped like shirt jacket. It's like a little like short sleeve jacket thing. This is funky prints like this or something else that is very trendy right now that I'm very obsessed with. What does it say about those pieces? She said the printed black and white top is super fun and more of an out there piece, which I think you could rock. And she also says about the first piece I pulled out, the vintage pastel colored vest is one of my favorite pieces and I thought it could be cool with some layers in the colder weather, which is absolutely true. I will totally wear that with like a turtleneck underneath and it's gonna look super cute. Oh, this is so nice. I'm like in shock. It says that this was $89 originally. That's insane. I like want to put this on as soon as I'm done filming this video. It looks so soft. Hello, Miss Lana. She wants to get in the box. Do you want to get in here? Ma'am, I'm filming a video and you're kind of in the way. Stop, she's getting in the box. She likes the box. I got cute clothes and Lana got a nice box. I don't know if you can see her because she's in my lap, but she's making herself a little nest in my box and purring really loud. All right, well, with Miss Lana on my lap for the rest of this portion. All right, and now I'm gonna show you how I would style these things. Oh, Miss Lana, ma'am. Okay. Using my front camera so I can see the angles and see what I'm showing you. I don't know what the quality's gonna be like. I got a new phone, so hopefully it's better because this camera on the back is like better quality than my actual camera, but unsure about the front camera. Anyways, this is the first piece I tried on. To style it, I put it on with this little turtleneck because I've been a fan of like turtlenecks layered under like hoodies and half zips recently. And then because this is like a little bit baggier on top and it's like a longer silhouette, thought it would look good with like some tighter pants. So I put it on with my little flared velvet pants, which I love. They're like the flared leggings that you're seeing all over the place, but I thrifted these like a year ago and it's actually part of a matching suit. It has like a blazer and everything that's from the 70s. But now, flared leggings, or yoga pants, as some people like to argue, are back in style. And these are like a little bit more of an elevated version, I feel like, because they're nice velvet, but they're still like stretchy legging material. Anyways, enough about the pants. Yeah, this is how I would style this little half zip. It's so cozy, very warm, such high quality because it's from And Other Stories, but this is an incredible thrift find and I am obsessed with it. My cats are just making tons of appearances in this video. Then I just put it on with my Air Force Ones. I wear these shoes with like almost every outfit every day. That is this piece styled. All right, next up we've got the little sweater vest. I love sweater vests, as we know. They're very trendy at the moment, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm all here for the trend. I feel like I've mentioned this in like all of my past videos. Oh my god, it's a cat fight. Anyways, I love pastels right now. Even for the winter, I think they're very cute. I just put a little t-shirt under this. Depending on the weather, I might put a t-shirt or a turtleneck or something a little warmer and maybe a jacket on top if we're speaking realistically. But for the fashion of it, this is what I would wear. And then I resisted the urge to put this on with my white tennis skirt because that is a look I am obsessed with right now. It's all over like my Pinterest board, but it's not very weather appropriate for me here right now. So I put it on with some trousers and something that I might be actually able to wear now that it's chilly. I have these little blue trousers. They're like kind of a periwinkle color. And I like that they're like, they don't exactly match any of the colors in the sweater vest, but they're kind of like the same family and they're all pastels. And then I just put these Air Force Ones back on. But yeah, this is really cute and there's a number of different ways I would wear this. This outfit feels very like Tyler the Creator to me, very golf wang. Also probably wouldn't wear black socks with it, but that's just what I had on and I didn't change them. All right, next up we've got the pink cardigan. This one is very cute and cozy. Pink is one of my favorite colors. My hair is kind of pink right now. I dyed it purple and then realized I accidentally bought temporary hair dye instead of permanent. So it completely washed out and now it's like pinkish. But all that to say, pink is one of my favorite colors, but it's one of the ones that I feel like I have the least of in my closet. So this one, I wanted to try and style it like a little bit less of like the feminine, typical like pink kind of girly style, if that makes sense. So I wanted to make it a little more, I don't know, grungy, I guess. I don't know, what would you call this? I put on these little cargo baggy denim pants that I just got. These are a little bit more like grungy and like tomboyish almost. And then I paired it with black everything else just to make it more cohesive, but also like a little less girly. But then it's like cute pink cardigan, a little touch of girly, and like I feel like the little purse is like very girly. So I like the mix that's going on here. I wanted to put it on with my docs, but they're downstairs and wet because it's snowy outside and I didn't want to bring them up here. Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to not. Oh my god, Lana. There's no way to get them to not get in my videos. Every time I film, they jump in front of the camera. But yeah, this is what this one looks like. I think it's very cute. And I also really like the length of it. I like that it's cropped. I think the like cropped silhouette with like a high-waisted pant really just suits my figure because I have short legs and a long torso. So I think it makes me look taller and a little bit more proportionate. Yeah, this one, I really like this one. Oh, and also this tank top is like ruched on the top, which I feel like makes it a little bit more girly. These pants like come unzipped. That's the only bad thing about them, is that when I move around they come unzipped. This one makes me feel like I'm like very cute and like girly, but also like can kick some butt and like step on things. All right, next, Lana jumped over here right as I pressed record. I think she like knows the sound and thinks that she should walk over here as soon as it happens. Anyways, this little shirt is the next one. Groovy, like 70s kind of prints are very big right now. They're like very 70s inspired, but they also go hand in hand with the Y2K trend that's happening right now because fashion moves in cycles. If you've ever heard like the 30-year rule, where like every 30 years trends come back around, or some say 20, some say 30, but the 70s to the 2000s is 30 years, so the Y2K thing is 70s inspired. So like I went for a kind of like groovy outfit, but I also feel like it's very Y2K because, like I said, they kind of go hand in hand in a lot of instances. I put it on with this little sleeveless turtleneck. I wanted to put it on with a long one, like a long sleeve one initially, to make it a little bit more weather appropriate, but these sleeves are like not big enough to put anything underneath. So I put that one on underneath, and then I just tied it in a little knot and tucked it underneath to make it look cropped. And then I threw it on with my little fake Prada checkered bag, and then I put it on with this little denim mini skirt that I like. You can put this on with like any skirt pretty much. And then my knee-high boots that I thrifted, but I think this outfit is very cute. I feel like I want to go out dancing in it, but like it's not like I'm gonna go anywhere right now because, you know, COVID still. But I can still wear it around my house and take cute pictures and post them on the internet. Next up, we've got this little pinafore. So I just put it on with a little white t-shirt underneath. Would also look very cute with a turtleneck, as Sarah mentioned, but my white turtleneck is dirty. But yes, this is a very classic piece. I feel like this is something that was super trendy when I was in high school and I was all over it, but I wanted to style it in a way that made it very like trendy and cute and of the moment, you know? So I just put it on, like I said, with a white t-shirt, and then I threw my leather blazer on top. This is a piece that I feel like everybody needs to have in their closet right now. I put it on with my black cowboy boots. Would also look cute with some black knee-high boots. I also wanted to put it on with like a black hat, but I didn't have a black hat that I thought looked cute with it. I really want a bucket hat, but can't seem to find one, and I don't want to buy one new, so I'll probably make one. But just imagine this with a hat also. All right, lastly, we've got the little zebra purse. This purse is so cute. I switched it out for this gold chain strap just because the strap on this one was like I don't know if it was just from shipping or what, but it was kind of like bent up. So just for the purpose of having it lay a little bit nicer, I switched it out for this gold chain strap, which I also think looks cute, matched with my jewelry. I envisioned this purse paired with like a graphic t-shirt and some brown pants, but I don't have, I mean, I'm wearing brown pants, but I was thinking like plain brown pants, like maybe a baggy jean or like some corduroy pants. But I've been searching for those at the thrift store and haven't found them yet. So I was like, well, I have other brown pants. And I saw these pants, which I don't wear as much as I should, but they're actually Fendi pants that are vintage. If you look closely, you can see that they say Fendi. I bought these secondhand at the Streetwear Flea, a really cool event that happens in Columbus. These pants are one of the rare pieces in my closet that I actually spent a lot of money on. I either will spend very little money at the thrift store, or every once in a while I will splurge on an item for myself. And that was these. But I wasn't sure how they were gonna look. They look really cute. I really like this outfit. I think the bag looks really cute with like the mix of prints that's going on. And this bag is also really versatile, especially because it's neutral. It can go with so many different outfits, but this was like the first kind of outfit that came to my mind when I saw it. That is the last piece and how I would style it. Hope you enjoyed these outfits. So that is the end of this video. I had a really fun time filming the whole thing. This is actually the first collaboration video I've ever done on my channel, which is very fun. Like I said, don't forget to go check out Sarah's video because you can see all of the fun things that I thrifted for her. I want to show you them in this video so bad, but I want you to go watch Sarah's video. So you're gonna have to go find out and watch and see what I found for her in that video. Me and Miss Lana are gonna close off this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it because I had so much fun making it. The links to Sarah's video and channel will be in the description of this video, of course. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!